Plant profile, lavender. Lavender is a sub-shrub that is both beautiful and useful. From making soaps and perfumes to flavoring cocktails, lavender's benefits are many. That wonderful scent that we are familiar with resides in the flowers. Those same flowers are a huge attraction for all kinds of pollinators to visit your garden. Lavenders need full sun and good drainage. Picture them growing in their native Mediterranean region, and that will give you a clue as to where to place them, specifically on a slope or edge of a rock wall. The usual cause of death for a lavender plant is that the roots rotted by being kept too wet over the wintertime. You can increase drainage by adding chicken grit, crushed oyster shells, or gravel to the soil when planting it. There's no need to fertilize lavender, though if you can add a bit of lime to the soil, it will be happier. To keep them healthy, space the plants far enough apart for good air circulation, and mulch around them with gravel to prevent infected soils from splattering on the lower leaves. Lavenders should be shaped up in early spring once they have leafed out. Cut just the dead tips off so you don't mistakenly go too far back into the woody parts of the stem. After they finish flowering, you can also remove the wiry sticks that remain after the first blooms have faded, to keep the plant tidy and to encourage a bit of reblooming later in the summer. English lavenders are the hardiest in our area, and the varieties Munstead and Hidcote are widely available. The Lavandin hybrids, Provence and Grosso, also do very well here in the Mid-Atlantic. More recent introductions to try include Phenomenal, which was bred by Lloyd Traven at Peachtree Farm in Kintersville, Pennsylvania. The best time to harvest lavender is when just a few of the buds on the stem have bloomed. Try to harvest early in the morning after the dew has dried. Allow the stems to dry by hanging them upside down, then remove the dried buds for use in sachets to place in a drawer or under a pillow for a good night's sleep. Lavender, you can grow that.